Want to set up your AirPod with your Android phone? You're in the right place. While AirPods are most compatible with iPhones, you can still enjoy all their features on an Android device without any limitations. Just follow along and I'll guide you through the easy setup process. So, first of all, you will need to set up your phone for connection. On the Android phone you're using, swipe down to open the control center. Tap and hold on to the Bluetooth icon. Go to Details. First, turn on Bluetooth. Then on the available devices, you will need to find the AirPods. Bring the AirPods case close to your phone and make sure that the AirPods are inside the case. After that, open the lid of the case. Now you will need to enable the pairing mode for the AirPod. On some AirPod models, you will need to press and hold onto the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold that for a few seconds to start pairing. For this model, I'm holding double tap at the front of the AirPod, right below the place where the green light shows up. Once the double tap, the green light will turn white and start blinking. If it doesn't show up, then close the lid and open it again. After that, double tap the same place again until the green light turns white. With this, the AirPod will now be available on your phone's Bluetooth settings. Just tap on the AirPod on the Bluetooth settings and select Pair. Now you have successfully set up your AirPod with your Android phone. From now on, you can simply bring out your AirPod and use them to your liking. Now remember that if you have already connected this AirPod to an iPhone, you will need to forget the device on your iPhone device. AirPods get access to iCloud settings and it will refuse to connect to an Android device if it's already linked to an iOS system, so make sure to keep that in mind.